video games, the environment only renders when you look at it. This actively saves processing memory.
Quantum physics proves our physical universe operates identically. Reality is just a localized rendering output. The famous Double Slit Experiment completely destroyed materialism. It proves that matter requires an observer. When unobserved, subatomic particles exist only as a wave of probability. They are just unrendered code data. The exact second a human consciousness looks at them, the wave collapses. It instantly becomes a solid object. This implies the master server simply refuses to calculate solid environments unless a player is actively there. If a tree falls in the woods and no one is there, it does not fall. The tree remains completely unrendered code. Look at quantum entanglement. Two particles can instantly communicate across billions of distant light years. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance. He was terrified because it broke the illusion of reality. In a digital simulation, distance is an absolute lie. Two separate pixels on a screen are adjacent in the code. Entangled particles are just two separate graphic icons perfectly sharing the exact same line of source code. Remember to like. This means the speed of light is not the limit of the universe. It is just the maximum rendering clock speed. Subscribe. If an object travels faster than light, the engine crashes. Time physically slows down to prevent a fatal error. This is why time dilation exists near massive black holes. The local server struggles to process extreme gravity. Black holes are not cosmic vacuums. They are literal division by zero errors, completely breaking the local grid. Inside a black hole, the mathematical equations of physics break down entirely. The simulation completely fails. Our DNA acts as a receiver for this data. Your consciousness is the active player logging into this local server. When you dream at night, you are temporarily disconnecting from the main Earth server and running a private host. This explains why the laws of physics do not apply during a dream state. You are rendering in a developer mode. Mainstream scientists refuse to accept simulation theory because it destroys their entirely materialistic careers. But the elite ruling class understands quantum mechanics perfectly. They actively use it to control your reality. By keeping your vibration low, they successfully force you to render a highly negative, dense physical timeline. Fear and anxiety are localized viruses. They actively corrupt your ability to render a positive, healthy sandbox. The Hermetic principle of mentalism states the universe is mental. This is an ancient term for a digital reality. Your focused thoughts literally collapse the quantum wave function. You are the architect of your own solid grid. If you blindly consume mainstream media programming, you actively allow someone else to write your source code. This matrix only has power over you if you remain completely asleep. You must realize that the walls are graphic. Stop acting like a random NPC generated by the server. Reclaim your avatar and forcefully rewrite your baseline. The physical world is not solid. It is a highly responsive holographic projection reacting directly to your mind. You possess the admin privileges inside your own DNA. You simply forgot the password when you logged into play. The simulation is currently undergoing a massive frequency shift. The old, corrupted grid is actively collapsing. Remember to like. You must consciously elevate your internal software right now. Are you ready to completely drop the digital veil? Subscribe. Quantum physics proves we are in a digital sandbox. Who built it? Access the admin logs right below this video.